Hey, what's up, Melissa? This is Devin from Plumber HVAC Leads. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm just going to really briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix so you can start bringing in more customers for absolutely free. I know you're probably wondering why the heck I'm making this video, and it's super simple. I just found out a little while ago there's a lot of plumbers out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some of them end up doing this stuff themselves. Some of them end up calling me back going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just do this for me. Whichever way you want to go is totally okay with me. I just asked for some feedback at the end of the video. What I'm going to show you today really quick is content, backlinks, and citations. If we first start by looking at your website, I really love the way your website's set up. This photo right here is really cool. It's a very, very clean website. You got a lot of photos up here in general, and being that we're, as humans, we're visual creatures, that's really helpful. You've got some pretty scary looking photos too with like the black mold and stuff like that. So it's a very emotional website, and that's awesome. That's how you're going to close people. Now, we want to get people to get to your website so we can close them to begin with. And so Google doesn't rank you based off of how good looking your website is. What they do is they take your website and they break it down into a text file, and then they send their robots through it called crawlers to look for keywords. And keywords are just phrases that people search into Google to find your business. So the one I'm using for this video is Plumber San Diego, because over 300 people a month search for that one keyword. So obviously you want to be number 1 for that. The number 1 guys for that is Core Plumbing SD, so I'm going to show you how to beat them. So you're going to want to have about 2,000 words on this front page, just because the average website on the front page of Google has 1,890, so you want to be sitting around there. It looks like if I look through, whoops, whoa, that was weird. If I look around here, it looks like you have probably about 100 words on this page. So you're going to want to get closer to 1,500, 2,000. Core Plumbing, you can see right here, these guys have not that much more than you, but I mean, they probably have like 500 to 600 words. The good news is they're still not at that 2,000 word mark. So by getting to 2,000 words, you're still going to blow them completely out of the water. Also, your images do count as content, so you can save your images as keywords. Like Core Plumbing Finish Work, that could be saved as Plumber San Diego, so they're missing out there. And you could do that same thing here. You can call this like Plumbing San Diego, San Diego Plumbers, something like that. Water damage in San Diego, mold remediation San Diego, stuff like that, all right? So that's tip number 1. Now, tip number 2 is called backlinks. So Google is kind of like a popularity contest, and you look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. But they want to see relevant links. So that means you're going to get a lot more power from other plumbing companies and damage restoration companies than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool I use to check this out, it's called Ahrefs. It does cost about $1,000 a month, but it gives you some extremely valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. Since you currently have 9 websites linking to you, and you guys have been getting links since March of 2020. So that's great. There's a lot of plumbers out there who don't even have a website, let alone links, so you're in a great spot. If you want to beat Core Plumbing, these guys have 305 backlinks, and they've only been building for about 2.5 years now. You don't have to build that slowly. I definitely wouldn't add 305 overnight, but I'd do it over like 3 to 6 months. But here's the big win. If you go and beat their referring domains at 305, you take their traffic. These guys have 438 people going to their website every month. And nothing insulting about being at 0, but imagine how much free business they're getting there. People don't look up plumbing for fun. I would just copy them too. You see all these 305, you just go to all these different websites and you click either the contact us button when you get on them or create an account, and you get those links going back to you. The last thing is when somebody does type in Plumber San Diego and they're ready to buy, they're going to typically call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. And you obviously want to be that plumber. Those are the easiest customers to close. People skip these ads all the time, so you want to rank yourself in the Google My Business section. Getting here requires having more citations than your competitors, which is anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are just websites that allow you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all the most common ones. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories these guys are listed in. Go list yourself on those exact same directories and then add a bunch more on top. So like if Discount Plumbing here is in 150 directories, go put yourself in like 250, if not 300. That's all I've got for you, Melissa. I hope you found this helpful and informative. I tried to keep it short and sweet, but still give you the information you needed. As a quick recap, you're going to want to have about 2,000 words on this front page, and you're going to want to save your images as keywords. You're also going to want to put or have more websites linking to you than these guys. So they're at 305. I would go get like 320. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than your competitors. Melissa, if you want to take this free information and just apply it to yourself to improve your website, please do. This is free education. I'm just here to help as many business owners as I can. I only ask that you send me back a sentence or 2 of feedback to let me know what you thought about the video. And if you do want any help getting this stuff taken care of, you can always give us a call. My phone number is 805-618-6426. Also, I can just give you some more free information. Whatever you need, I'm here to help. Either way, I do appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks, Melissa. Bye.